Kuble yepi baro sai sin pan ki parlok ki baju sontanan ban page ban snap ya ki video ki jonga kata lomba u Silva official hakabe dei ban ki employment news lane ki khobor laikam te hagani ga video ngan wan ra beng yepi hakabe dei bat ki khobor laikam kabe dei hapo state Meghalaya hi kata kabe dei jonga government jobs te shwa bangan ya shakhamat nga karpat yepi sai sin lada pidang thamai haka video bat channel jonga subhaba pin ya share like but subscribe na banta ki more information and more updates ki banawan hakini gisngi hakabaya dei bat ki employment news lani ki khobor laikam telemata ngan ya snapno ya kani ga khobor laikam ngan puleshwa ha kaktin pareng yole se dona pedeng ki parlo ki jongi ki basa pokostin Meghalaya ki bom sotu iktin khasi so I'll read first in English. MPSC Meghalaya recruitment 2024, that is for the LDA and assistant inspector vacancy. MPSC Meghalaya recruitment 2024 on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya Public Service Commission or MPSC invites application or online mode from eligible candidates for the post of lower division assistant and assistant inspector. The last date for submission of application is 17 on the 20th of December 2024. Tenagamta ki parlo khasi pade hangning and pun batai learning and pun stu ipi managaliang jong ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission lani MPSC ka khon online application nagamta ki candidates ki bala pendep ya kini ki qualification lani ki eligible candidates nagbanta ka post lower division assistant but kumjuru jong ka post assistant inspector te nagbanta ba pin submit ya ki application kan katarik ka khadu kan dei hadu arpho tarik u December arjar arpsau so nakata kadaw nga karpat yepi sai sin pat wat nom penleno ya kani galat kabu nama kidon de ki photally ki post kaban salai lani ki balak pelait hani hapo Meghalaya Public Service Commission te apply no haswa bakan kut ketika arpho tarik mo wat nom ap hadu bakan da kut ketika tarik nomor ka server ka la ban khamslem la da phi apply hande le no no du manta khnang ba phin khamsuk te la da phi dong don ei ki jingkli ka be dei kumno ban apply ye ki post kindly put your comments on the comment box te hangne ngan pule yepi hakabe dei bat kini ki post kata lower division assistant but assistant inspector kabanukong post name hangne gande ka lower division assistant lani LDA in various heads of department ka total number of posts hangne kadon hadu 100 ki post for unreserved kadon 100 ki post khasi jaintia kadon arphotli ki post na ba nakamta ki garo they have 31 posts and other STSC 3 posts lani lightly ki post and for age limit 18 to 32 years as on 1st of January 2024 upper age relaxation by 5 years for SC/ST and 10 years for PWD candidates jangne nakamta kini ki people with disability lane PWD candidates ru kila ban apply ya ki post te ka age limit hangne kan dei khatra ru life arts nem ban indon ru ka relaxation na kamta jungi ki SC/ST khamtam ni ki khasi kan dei hadu sansnem te kata ka bomun adu khatra hadu life hunyo snem ngidang la ban apply na kamta ka te ka post lower division assistant but ka salary hangne kan dei ka pay skill level 6 of revised pay structure te ka skill pay hangne kan dei level 6 te kan dei jingsiu ko ba he but ka essential qualification hangne kan dei ki candidates ki development ya ka HSSLC or equivalent examination from any recognized board university in India ya gitu ki bla pendep ya class 12 kombangi YouTube te kila man apply nak benta ke post jong ka lower division assistant but nak benta ka post ka baar hangne kan dei ka post jong assistant inspector of excise under the commissioner of excise ka total number of posts hangne ka don khat khandai tli mo baro khoi nang ta nam ta ki on reserve ka don lightly khasi jentia bat garo khasi jentia kadon new tiligi post garo kadon prat tiligi post bat kui pade ki SC/ST kadon kawi post bat ka age limit hangneru kandei khat pra du lai par snem bat kan don ru ka relaxation na banta jungi ki scheduled tribes bade san snem tingila ban apply ya ketika post nakabanta ki candidates ki bala dap khatra hadu lai punyo snem ngirang la ban apply nakabanta ketika post assistant inspector but hangne ka salary ru kan de ka pay skill level 6 of revised pay structure but ka essential qualification la ne ka kardan ka phila ban apply nakabanta ketika post assistant inspector kan de ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka PUC or HSSLC or 12 standard from any recognized university or school education board. Di saisin pan nakamta ka ne ka post assistant inspector ru la khot nakamta ban pendap ikti ki post ya ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka class 12 sejrong. Di nakata ka daw ki candidates ki bala pass ya class 12 kamta me ki badai na po ka state Meghalaya hi brokawai sumhaban sium ya ka ne kalan ka bu apply no nakamta kita ki atli ki post kata lower division assistant but kumjuru jong ka post assistant inspector of excise. Kemudian ban pensyai UP hakbede bat kane ka pay skill level 6 kande R po 1000 plus mo hadu ndru po tam ka salary pinyo ha kane ka pay skill ka bade ka level 6 kumno ban apply pade na kumta kete ki atli ki post kata jong ka post LDA but assistant inspector so candidate are to apply and submit their application forms through online mode only by clicking on the online application icon appearing on the MPSC website, that is viz www.mpsc.nic.in. Application received through any other modes will not be accepted and will be summarily rejected. So la nagliang jong katiga department kalong ba ki online application ki day ay ban submit tanglong ba ketika observe website jong ka MPSC kata www.mpsc.nic.in but lada pi apply long ba kui pade ki mood anum padiang ia application forms ke jong pi so nakata daw tanglong ba ketika website but pila ru ban klik haga link ka ba ngalabu apo ka description box nakamta ban apply ya ketik post de nakamta ka application fees pade hangne nakamta ka application fees hangne godon for post number 1 kade lice pa san pho ba nakamta ka post ka ba kata assistant inspector kade lice pa pho half the rate of SST who are permanent resident of state of Meghalaya kata ka bomot hikate kade nakamta ki ada SCST la ne ki general candidates hanre nakamta jongi ki scheduled tribes kamtam ki ba na po state Meghalaya ki ba de permanent residents ikan de marsiteng ya kate lada kade lai sanpo kande no chispa nyopsan balada kade kapus ka ba lai sparpo kande no chispa ripo kade marsiteng so nakata daw ila karpat sa sinpan ya baru ki candidates kamtam ki ba pe kane ka video ka jonga sumhaban apply no nadu mentahi wanom apsu hadu bakan da kut kete katarik di kumno ban apply ru ngan sa hikaya pi tanglong ba ka mobile phone di yo lese pi jangai shaki cyber ki bajan ki jong piru yo lese pi mdon ha ki sinong ki taw ki jong pi di pla ban apply ki post tanglong ba ka mobile phones di saisen pa lada pidang don ai ban kali lane ban question hak bai dei bat kenika online application tang lomba ka mobile phones pila ban bu ya ki comments ki jong pi ha ki comment box section so wanum kali ya ki jingkali ko bom ya ham andre na suang ipi subha ban bu ya ki jingkali ha ka be dei bat kani ka post tang kata hi te khamtam ha ka be dei kumno ban apply tang lomba ka mobile phones se saisen pan ya ki candidates lani ki viewers ki ba dang thamai subha ban ya share like but subscribe na ka banta ki employment news ki banangwan. Stay safe. God bless you. Kublai Shubon.